Hi guys, I am Dipak Bangar. I am founder of Profitable Traders. I am a swing and positional trader. I trade stocks for living. And today in this video we are going to discuss what are the three important things that a beginner should keep in mind if they are about to start their journey in the stock market. Let it be investing or trading. If you are coming here for the first time on this YouTube channel, I suggest you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I am uploading the useful content on this channel. This channel is all about providing you with the right education, the right mindset and the right skills which are required to get those consistent and peaceful profits from the stock market, even if you are absolute beginner. So let's start with today's video. First important point you should keep in mind is learn what doesn't work in the market. Learn the factors which make people lose money in the market. See, we are here to make money in the stock market, right? We are here to make profits. But the hardcore reality is 90% of the people who start their journey in the markets, they actually end up making losses in the markets. And it is very important that you study those reasons first. The reason why you should do it, because if you avoid those common mistakes, you are already won the half battle towards profitability. So in this channel, I'm going to make a series where I'm going to discuss based on my experience or my observations of last 8 years why people lose money in the stock market. Just avoid those things and you are already halfway through your battle for profitability. That's the first thing. Second important thing is about getting into the right kind of education which actually works in the market. See, stock market trading is a learnable skill. No one is born trader. You learn it by doing it, by practicing it. And this is a process that everyone has to go through. And it's similar to acquiring any other skill for that matter. But what is important here is a word of caution that I would like to give is learn this skill from someone who is already a trader, who has done it for himself and who is demonstrated the profitability by teaching the methods that he teaches actually are profitable. So that person has to demonstrate that. So you should learn from a trader. There are lots of information today available on social media, books, news channels and lots of advisories. Let it be, or tips as we proudly call it as tips. So there are lots of people who can give you tips. But if at all you have to make long-term profits from the stock market, tips don't work. You have to do your own research. And that's why you will be able to do that only when you are learning the right things from the right person. There is something else required actually to develop this as a skill. That's why I suggest learn from a trader who is teaching what he practices and which is proven to be a successful process. Anyone can read a book, learn a strategy and teach it. But has he got the courage to implement that strategy in his own trading account? And is that actually profitable across different market conditions? This is what is important and you should definitely give it a thought. Learn from a trader. This is I would say, if at all you have to take this one thing away from today's video, this is this. Learn from a trader who has done it successfully. Third important thing is start working on your mindset. Mindset is probably the most underrated thing, but in my view, it is probably the most important thing which is responsible for your success. Analyze what are your beliefs about money in general. Do you have this scarcity mindset? Do you have the wrong notions about stock market, which are, from the childhood we have been, the upbringing that we have received. Most of the stories that we have heard about the big losses, how stock market ruined people's lives, how stock market is like gambling or it's satta. We haven't been taught to treat stock market as a business and it can be done, okay? But start analyzing these things. What are your concepts or your beliefs about stock market and money in general? This is important because unless and until you raise yourself to the vibrations of prosperity, the right kind of beliefs about stock market and money, the success in trading is next to impossible. Another thing with respect to mindset I would like to mention here is, are you having realistic expectations from stock market? Let me tell you from my experience, stock market is not a get rich quick scheme. In fact, it's the fastest way to lose money if you don't do the right things in the stock market. So have some realistic expectations. It's not a place for people who are in the mindset of doubling their money every few months. Their money will be gone. That's the one thing which is sure. So have realistic expectation, treat it as a business. Do you have those core qualities which are required for being a successful trader? For example, patience, discipline, or do you believe in yourself? Okay, so these are different things which I am going to discuss in the next videos, which are, I personally feel that these are extremely critical for your success in the stock market. So what are you doing to improve those mindset related issues what you have? The kind of mindset that is required for stock market success is different than what is required in otherwise the professional life or academic life or our other careers. This is different mindset that we need to acquire. So these three important things. First, just to summarize, start learning what doesn't work. What are the causes of failure or losses to most of the people? Second thing, learn from a trader who is profitable over at least for 1 year. And third thing, start working on your mindset. Have that money, abundance and prosperity mindset with the right kind of notions, realistic expectations about stock market. So I hope you found this information useful. If you find this useful, just hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for getting the next update. I thank you for your time and I'll see you in the next video.